You can make lovely, yummy cheese garlic toast by simply taking bread slices and garlic in just 5 to 10 minutes. Take a few bread slices and toast them on one side with little butter. Take some butter, some cheese, some paprika, and some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Now take 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, crush them. Heat a pan, put a spoon of butter and add the crushed garlic to that. Fry for 2 minutes. Now take each slice of the bread and on the clean side apply butter with garlic and spread it evenly. Now place the slice of bread on a heated pan with the buttered side on top and grate cheese on top of that. Sprinkle some cilantro or chopped coriander leaves and cover it and let it cook for a while. You will see the melted cheese and the cheese toast is ready. Sprinkle some paprika on top of that and enjoy your garlic cheese toast.